What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video. And in this video we are going to talk about Revitax, the you would call ceramic shampoo by Labo Cosmetica. This is the protection that we would like to add if we have a failing ceramic coating or if the car is completely unprotected and we still want to apply some protection. Revitax, we focus on chemical or harsh environment influential products that can land on the car in the form of chemicals, contamination. That is what Revitax is masterly in. Now, how to use this product? The different ways to use this product are many. We can use a sprayer, we can use a foamer, we can use a foam gun, we can use a bucket. I like the control of the situation the most. So for this product, very important, cool surface, not in direct sunlight. If anything goes wrong, and it's always a possibility, even me, I still make mistakes. Fix any mistake you have with Perfecta 2.0. They share similar particles. You can maintain the Revitax with Perfecta 2.0, and if you have any spots or anything from dried-in product, just remove them with Perfecta 2.0. Moving back to Revitax. We are going to use a different type of washing media. The reason I'm going to use a sponge is that the sponge, compared to a microfiber, has more contact. And this contact is very important for the linking of Revitax to adhere to the surface of the car. The difference of mitt you can use is that if you have winter, when the temperature drops below 5 degrees, it becomes very difficult for sealants to perform and to link to the surface. So if you are in very cold conditions or you have a lot of time, you are most welcome to use something in the form of a sponge to increase the linking faster. If you want a slower linking, so you need more time, for example in summer, even though you are inside and it's still a little bit warm, you can use the traditional mitt. But I want to show you that linking process, how that looks like and what that visual reference is for you to know when to rinse off. So first we make a dilution. It's very easy. I suggest to use a dilution if you have any protection on the car, to do a dilution of 1 to 150 directly in here. How does that translate back into a foam gun? That's a little bit different. You need to know the end dilution. If you don't know the end dilution, if you don't know, start low and you can always increase the dilution until you reach that certain point. Out of my head, I think most of the foam guns can do a 1 to 7 of Revitax to get a very nice thin coat and then wash that in and see the beading immediately after, depending on the environmental results. So for this case, I'm going to use that foamer because I like this foamer very much. It gives me a lot of control and I don't have to use a lot of product because there's 1 liter of product inside and I'm going to use 1.5 cap. By the way, if you want to use a bucket shampoo, it's also possible, but you have to make a dilution of 1 to 100 to 1 to 150 to get this working. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this one just to show you how fast and easy that linking process can be. I think this should be enough. Need a damp sponge. Put some product in here. I could also cheat and use something in the bucket. It's dropping down very slow. And when I'm rubbing back and forth, you see that water is starting to open up. And as you probably will see that if I move back and forth a couple of times, that water opening up is becoming more and more. This is that linking process. This is that visual reference you need to look for to know when to rinse off. That was a short and fast explanation and demonstration, one of the ways you can use this product. My favorite one is to use a hand foamer with a dilution of 1 to 80 to 1 to 100. Don't go over. It's not necessary, as you can see, a very little amount goes a long way. You can use it also in the bucket, 1 to 100, making it a very not so economical, but still well performing. The choice of the wash media is important. You want fast linking, use a sponge. You want slow linking, meaning in summer where it's a little bit warmer and you need a little bit more time, use any other media in the form of a microfiber. For that, if you have any issues or you want to maintain Revitax, you can use Perfecta 2.0 to correct any mistake or to add some of the polymers that are going to help the Revitax last even longer. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.